Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming what's using space and protecting your data. Open Settings and tap Storage to see system and other sizes. Take a quick photo of numbers. Make sure you've backed up photos, videos, and any app data to cloud or SD, because once you delete files, they're gone. Then go into Apps, pick the largest apps, and clear cache to immediately free temporary space. Once done, you'll have measurable free space before deeper steps. Next, you remove the heavier items that actually reclaim persistent storage. Use the Files or Storage tool to list large files, sort by size, and either delete or move them to backup. Uninstall apps you no longer use, and disable non-removable system apps where settings permit. This reduces system data growth over time. Make sure to check the Downloads folder and app-specific folders for leftover media or duplicate files, because those often silently consume tens or hundreds of megabytes. For final cleanup, you can clear the system cache partition in recovery mode on older devices, or use storage reset tools in settings on newer Android to remove orphaned data safely. If an app's data is corrupted and bloating system storage, reset app preferences or clear that app's storage selectively. This frees space, but keep in mind you may lose app-specific settings. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after a full backup. If something goes
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.